time D-Money behind camera, but let's get it, Keith.
Alright, here we go.
Let it strum for a minute, but I'm still trying to get it. Same time spending. Okay, Keith on the beat, money on the track. Kill the haters once like they had a heart attack. There is no coming back once I step up on the beat. If you wanna step to me, you better bring 2 feet. Yeah, I be going hard. Swear I'm on the bars, geek like a retard. Keith on the strumming, steadily get the drumming. Need a cash flow, yeah, something steadily coming. While you fuck boys, sitting at home on your ass. Man, you need to break a bone, gonna collect the cash. Man, I need a cash, man, I'm tired of these actors. I run it straight forward while these haters run backwards. They can't even touch me, yeah, they love me. I can't help the fact that your girl wanna fuck me. I can bring anyone to the beat, but I'm turning up right now. So who want the beef? I bring the heat. Yeah, and I bring a whole clip, and I got your boots on, yeah, rubber boots slip. It's a nightlife, man, you gonna need a night light, and I'll knock you out, take your lights, that's like night-night. Oh my fucking God, yeah, I run it like Nike. Yeah, who want to fuck with me? If you talk about some money, yes, you better mention me. If you talk about some money, better start with D, haha. Oh, you know D-Money, yeah, that motherfucker. Man, he fuck my mama, yeah, he a motherfucker. You can go and tell your daddy while I'm rolling up. Man, I got the best drugs in the city, huh? And I'll talk about some real shit. And I was really just something you can't deal with. If you wanna bring a chopper, get a 4/5. Man, I come to the town and you forfeit. Yeah, I'm killing your team, killing your squad. Shout out to my squad, cause my squad going hard. And we pulling up in cars, hopping out with choppers. Yeah, we turn your red tee, looking like a lobster. And we fucking with them. And I'm fucking with them gang members. And we gonna get it out, and we still sending.